Wait for it? Well, I knew that was going to happen, but in real life, we rarely get advance notice for a disruptive event. Stay tuned as we discuss how to build a solid business continuity plan. I'm Priyanka, and welcome to Anthos 101. Many of you might have backup and disaster recovery plans in place, but we rarely get notified that a disruptive event might happen. Even with some lead time, things can still go wrong and impact business continuity. Let's answer 7 key questions that can help you go beyond traditional backup and DR. Question number 1. Are your applications architected for high availability and data redundancy? Anthos GKE helps you architect for high availability and data redundancy by offering 2 types of clusters, zonal and regional. In a zonal cluster topology, a cluster's control plane and nodes all run in a single compute zone that you specify when you create the cluster. In a regional cluster, masters and nodes are replicated across multiple zones within a single region. Regional clusters consist of a 3 masters quorum, offering higher availability than a zonal cluster. You can minimize the risk of disruption to your services as well as expedite the upgrade process through unique features like surge upgrades and release channels. Anthos also enables data protection through disk snapshots stored in any regional or multi regional locations across Google Cloud, and disks can be attached to regional clusters and failover if a zone fails. You can combine these with Anthos enabled software from the Google Cloud Marketplace to enable high availability applications such as Caston 10, Portworx Enterprise, Robin Storage, Apronix APS. Question number 2. Can your app scale up and down without code changes? When you work with Anthos, you are adopting modern cloud native technologies like containers, serverless, and service mesh that enables microservices based applications. These are modular architectures that make it easier to upgrade and scale up and down than a tightly coupled monolithic application. Question number 3. Do you have consistent management across on prem and multi cloud environments? We started this series by answering the question, what is Anthos? Where we covered how Anthos can help you consistently secure and operate existing apps, develop and deploy new apps across disparate locations while offering centralized visibility and management of resources. Question number 4. Are you finding and fixing bugs before moving to production? Well, the only way to ship bug free code is by catching bugs and fixing them before deployment. With increasing adoption of hybrid and multi cloud, you need a modern CI CD pipeline to automatically build, test, and reliably deploy to different environments. To learn more about how to build a modern CI CD pipeline with Anthos, check out a previous episode. Question number 5. Have you defined and implemented measurable service level objectives or SLOs for your apps? It's crucial to define RTO and RPO for business continuity. RTO, or recovery time objective, is the amount of time an application can be unavailable without causing significant damage to your business. RPO, or recovery point objective, is the tolerance of how much data can be lost before critically impacting your business. It helps to consider modernizing your existing applications to cloud native architecture. This will help you deliver uninterrupted services at an optimal cost. With Anthos, you can easily set SLOs for your services and monitor them. That brings me to question number 6. Can you proactively mitigate failures in your applications? Anthos dashboards provides built-in SLOs so you can improve the observability and proactively mitigate failures just like Google SREs. For more details, check out how to improve observability using Golden Signals episode in the Anthos 101 series. Question number 7. Do you have access to skills to develop and maintain your apps? Now, this might sound like a learning problem, but having a standardized technology platform which makes it easy for you to manage existing applications and build new ones helps. With Anthos, your teams have access to skills to develop and maintain apps not just in one environment, but across multiple environments. To summarize, here's a checklist of how to go beyond business continuity with Anthos. Develop high availability apps with data redundancy. Scale flexibly without code changes. Find and fix bugs before moving into production. Manage consistently across on prem and multi cloud. Implement measurable SLOs, including RTO and RPO values. Mitigate app failures proactively. Gain sufficient access to skills. Today, we learned that Anthos can help you build a next gen business continuity plan beyond traditional backup and disaster recovery. Read Beyond Business Continuity white paper linked below to learn more. And for more Anthos content, don't forget to subscribe and check out the entire Anthos 101 playlist.